Hi, hello, namaste. This is your Shaker from DSM Academy. Today I'm back with a very important video which is for 6th semester students, Usmania University and all other universities who are having this subject called as GST, Goods and Service Taxes. So here this chapter, this concept or whatever it may be, this subject is very important for your examination point of view and also in your future. So now let me tell you the important questions of GST. Before going into the important questions, I want all the students to please share this video to the maximum people. Sab pass ho jana hai, anybody can pass, so no failure should be there. So this is the concept, that is the chapter GST. Let's start with the important questions. So before going to the important questions, I'll want to tell you that this chapter in GST, many people will fail. Generally, there are some failures in GST. So accordingly, it is a 50 marks paper only. So let me tell you the important questions, starting with the long answer type. You have to attempt any 5 questions. He will be giving you choice, internal choice in each and every chapter. Means from every chapter he will be giving 2 questions. You have to attempt only any one question of your choice, and each question carry how many marks? 8 marks. Understood, beta? So each question carry 8 marks. You have to answer any 5. So 5 8s are 40 marks you will get by this important questions. So unit number 1, define GST, explain its origin and concept. Write in details on GST model, procedure for GST registration, GST registration cancellation and revocation, GST return types. These 5 questions are very important. So I want to tell you that if you are going with these first 2 questions, from these first 2 questions, one question will appear for sure, and you can also go with these questions which are very important. So next, unit number 2, process of enabling GST ERP. Intrastate outward supply of goods or interstate outward supply of goods and services, interstate inward and outward supply, or else one problem will be asked from this chapter. So here go with this first question, right? And also if you are going with intrastate or interstate, it's enough. First 3 questions are enough for your examination. If you can don't want to take any chance, you can go with the remaining questions also. And here unit number 3, composition dealer, बहुत ही important question है, very important question. And GST transactions is also very important, and sometimes he may ask you this question, the time limit and modes of payment in GST, and mixed and composite supply under GST. So beta, from this unit number 3, learn these 4 questions or first 3 questions. And next, unit number 4, how to determine supply of goods and supply of services, right? Very important question. And intrastate inward and outward supply of services, interstate outward and inward supply of services, procedure for cancellation of services, ITC, very important, input tax credit. This question is very important. Previously 2024 he has asked this question, so this is very important question. He may repeatedly he may ask. And how to determine supply of goods and this very important question, beta, go through it. And also unit number 5, procedure for accounting multiple services, very important question, repeatedly asked question. And also process of partial payment to suppliers and advance receipt, this is also very repeated questions, this one. And deemed supply of services with an example. So from unit number 3, unit number 2, there are possibilities of asking any sum, so go through that. So next, from this important, every question is important here, but I highlighted some questions. Please focus on that questions, that will be very beneficial for your exam. So here beta, next we'll go with short answer type questions that will be giving you 10 marks. The short answer questions in GST. ITC, this question is very important beta. Input tax credit, debit note and credit note, tax invoice, and GST returns, return of goods, exempted goods, ITC set off, intrastate of supply and interstate of supply goods and services. Separate question will be asked from this. Composite dealer, reverse charge mechanism, GST council, e-way bill, and electronic credit ledger. So here, and GST portal, GSTIN, ERP, GST duty registers, right? These questions are very important, which I have highlighted, and the remaining questions also you have to learn for sure. So to get full marks, learn all the questions. So here beta, so please do share this video to your friends, because हर कोई पास होना है. सो इस बार 6 सेमेस्टर का एग्जाम बच्चे हर सब्जेक्ट का एग्जाम अच्छे देंगे. एंड जीएसटी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस प्लीज शेयर टू योर फ्रेंड्स. या शेखर साइनिंग ऑफ. बाय.